In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Elrond future while examining Egld cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking. Not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Elrond. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the particle value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Elrond is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Elrond succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Elrond value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Elrond and its to-date history. What is Elrond? Elrond intends to be the following web-scale blockchain with a high throughput. Elrond is attempting to fabricate a blockchain that is equipped for 1000x exchange throughput than most existing blockchains. What are Elrond's key highlights? 1. Adaptive state sharding. Ongoing parting and converging of shards as the interest for network limit changes. Whenever, the Elrond blockchain will shuffle between network sharding, exchange sharding, and state sharding, making the organization limit exceptionally flexible as client request requires. 2. Secure confirmation of stake agreement component. In accordance with sharding, the Elrond blockchain chooses different validators inside every shards in each approval round. 3. Elrond VM. The Elrond virtual machine is a devoted, brilliant agreement execution motor based on WASM. Designers can expand on the EVM in whichever language they knew about to be aggregated in WASM. How to stake on Elrond. Marking on Elrond should be possible either as a 1. Validator or 2. Delegator, with at least 10 gold per designation. Validator rewards are conveyed naturally. Dynamic delegator rewards are claimable one time each day, with no time limit for claims. Elrond value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022 10-15. Plus 4.81% $58 28 2022 1016 plus 0.12% $55 67 2022 1017 plus 5.20% $58 49 2022 1018 0.56% $55 29 2022 1019 plus 0.80% $56 05 2022 1020 6.09% $52 22 2022 1021 1.97% $54 51 2022 1022 plus 1.00% $56.16 Elrond value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment and little pattern inversion. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 NAV. 22.19% $43.27 2022 DEC. 34.66% $36.33 2023 Jan. 29.75% $39.06 2023 Feb. 21.52% $43.64 2023 Blemish. 12.28% $48.78 2023 APRA. 11.93% $48.97 2023 May. 5.39% $52.60 2023 Jun. 3.53% $53.64 2023 Jul. plus 11.50% $62 2023 AH, plus 16.27% $64.65 2023 SEP, plus 16.06% $64.53 2023 AH, plus 22.40% $68.06 Egl D Value Forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Egld coming to $115.66 in 2025. What will Egld be worth in 5 years? The cost of Egld in 5 years could lie around $104.13. Elron Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Elron will be worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees Elron coming to $289.14 in 2030. What Elron will be worth in 2040. Our determining model sees Elron coming to $578.28 in 2040. Will Elron supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Elron won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Elrond at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, Elrond could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2025. Is Elrond worth purchasing? We are backers of decently hazardous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Elrond merits purchasing. Is Elrond a wise speculation? Elrond is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Elrond be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $33.03. In the long haul, it could leap to $289.14 or considerably higher. For what reason will Elrond succeed and get more expensive? Elrond has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Elrond ascending to $289.14 in 2030. For what reason will Elrond come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the task, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned advertising system, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Elrond go? Our determining model sees Elrond value detonating and coming to $578.28 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Elrond? Elrond will reach $33.03 in the following 90 days, which is a 40.6% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $55.60. Might Elrond at any point make you a tycoon? Indeed, assuming that you purchase huge enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and